Hi, I'm Jared Chambers, and here we are today getting ready to go out spraying. We've staged the crop, we staged the weeds, everything's looking fantastic. But one of the questions that we need to ask is, how healthy is our plant at this time of the year? It's quite common that we'll actually see our seedlings kind of almost stalling at this stage in the plant's life cycle. So why are these seedlings stalling? Well, I think they're stalling possibly for two different reasons. The first one is the environment. If we have cold air temperatures or cold soils, it really means that plant is not respiring as efficiently as possible, and it just kind of isn't growing the way we'd like it to. Now, when doing this, what could also happen, if we actually dig up the plant and look at the roots, we more than likely have a limited, restricted rooting system that hasn't accessed the fertilizer that's placed in the fertilizer bed. The other thing that's going to happen this time is, have we maybe overlooked a nutrient that we should have put on into the soil? This also can lead to the seedling stalling effect. Now, the key thing that we want to do is we want to get that root system growing. We want to get it accessing the nutrients that are in the soil to really prepare itself for this herbicide application, so that we push through it and we really drive the genetic potential of the crop. So how do we go about addressing some of these early season limitations that it can affect the vigor of this seedling? Well, at ATP, we really focus in on what nutrients are essential at this growth stage to drive rooting and overcome any of these environmental stresses that occur. There's a lot of essential nutrients required, and it's actually very complex. But at ATP, we tried to make the complex simple by taking these essential nutrients and putting into a product called Relief. So what is Relief? Well, Relief is actually a combination of all of these nutrients built in the right ratio and in the right form to drive early season rooting. To even make it easier for you, we've actually built Relief specifically for each crop. So there would be Relief cereals, canola, soybeans, and pulses. And to really ensure that we get maximum nutrient use efficiency, we've powered Relief with the Transit X technology plus our proprietary biological activators. So Relief is very easy to use. You put it on at a low dose rate, you put it on in combination with your herbicide into the spray tank, and away you go. So to learn more about Relief and learn more about if Relief is compatible with your herbicide, go to atpnutrition.ca today. Thank you, and have fun spraying.